This is a video on how to change out the battery on your remote key. This one does come with push button start, so I'm going to teach you guys, show you guys how to do that. So here's the key end. This particular model, this is the only way to pop the case off. This particular model, you want to take the key out. You're gonna see two slots. There's this little line right here. You want to put a screwdriver in between that. My particular model is right here, so I'll take that and you want to pop it. It's popped now. You see how it's popped. You want the keys, the buttons, to face down. Pop it off. This is your motherboard. This controls your alarm. This controls the lock into the vehicle and the trunk button, whatever model you have. This is your battery. These always tend to go out. When these start to go bad, you guys always wonder how to change these out. You want to take a screwdriver from this side or this side. I'll pop it out like that. This is a plus side, so on the bottom of this there's a plus. So you want to face that plus sign down towards the plus sign. You put the new one on. So you put a new battery in. I got this from the dollar store. They're very affordable. Put the new battery in, which I already did. So you want them flush against the contacts. It takes two hands. I'm trying to show you. And that's pretty much how you replace a battery. And how to put it back together, you want to make sure the contacts are not all bent up and they don't get damaged. And how you put it back together, you want to have this facing down. Wait for a clicking sound. Alright, it's done. So you have a new battery inside the car. So your clicker is going to work, so that red button is going to work again. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.